Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your harvest time tracker, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you track your time in harvest? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to use harvest time tracker anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business or maybe you're a freelancer, you know that sometimes there can be disagreements between you and your client about the billable time. Whatever the case is, harvest is a popular way to track your time to help avoid those weird discussions with your client. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Harvest app. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Harvest account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and track your time, it automatically pops up onto this screen. However, if not, be sure to click on time up here on the orange bar, and then you want to click on timesheet. Okay, so once you're here, you can go ahead and easily track your time. So if you've already set up your projects or your clients, it's going to be a little bit easier, but don't worry. If not, you can easily just click on this green track time button. Okay, so next what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to open this menu up right here. Okay, and you need to go ahead and choose your client. So right here, I have this client, Ralph, and next we have this project that we're working on together. So we'll click right there. Now, if you don't have this, I'm going to go back and show you how you can add this in. Next, you want to go ahead and choose the task that you're going to work on. So with this customer, we're doing YouTube optimization. So we're going to go ahead and count that as marketing right here. And then here we can go ahead and add some notes. So what is it that you are working on today? Redo thumbnails. Okay. And next you want to go ahead and click on timer. Now, if you've already connected your Google Calendar and you have an event, so maybe if you have a meeting with one of your customers, you can go ahead and click here and then add that event right into your tracking time. And next you want to go ahead and click on start timer. Okay, next the page refreshes and you're going to see a little green pop-up confirming the time is being tracked. So we're going to go ahead and refresh this. Okay, so right here you can see that the time has like a little clock going around. So it's going to go ahead and track while we're working through this. Now, like I said, if you don't have a project set up, what you can do is go ahead and click up here on projects. Okay, here you're going to see all the different projects you might be working on. So to add a new project, if you don't have that, click here, new project. Once you do that, you can go ahead and fill this out. So you can go ahead and add a client right here, the name of the project, a project code, start and end dates, whatever notes are about this particular project, and then the billable time. So are you doing time and materials? Is it a fixed fee? Is it non-billable? And then down here, you can go ahead and add what type of tasks you're going to be working on. If the task is not here, you can go ahead and add that in. So data entry, and then just click enter. And then once you're done, you go ahead and click on save project. That way, the next time you go into your time tracking, let me go ahead and close this out. Okay, so the next time you go into your time tracking, just click on here, and then you'll be able to open it up and you'll have these little options down here. Okay, let me close this. Okay, as you can see, we've been working for 1 minute now. And then when you're done tracking your time on your project, go ahead and come back in here on time and then timesheet and then click on stop. Okay, so now I've tracked my time for this amount. Once you've tracked your time, you can go ahead and just let it sit there if you're going to be working later. So maybe I'm going to come back to this project in the evening. I can come back in and restart again. Also, if I made an error on the project that I was working on, I can come back in here and edit, and then I can change the project. So maybe I wasn't working on YouTube. Maybe I was working on this example project, and maybe I wasn't working on marketing. I was maybe doing programming. I can go ahead and then I can update that by clicking on update entry. I'm not going to do that. Okay. And then once you have your time and you need to send it in for approval, just click right here, submit week for approval. Okay. Once you do that, click on yes, submit timesheet. And then my timesheet is going to move from timesheet over to pending approval right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to track your time in Harvest Time Tracker, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.